Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Sunday, January the 19th, and we are going to be going ahead and doing another week of what's for dinner. This week is a little bit up in the air. We have a little snowstorm that's supposed to happen here in the lower Alabama southern states. And we're supposed to be predicted 2 to 4 inches of rain, or not rain, but snow, and have like icy roads and everything. So I have no idea what's in store for us this week. I don't know if I'm supposed to go back to work on Wednesday or go back to work on Monday. I have no idea. But today we are going to be making red beans and rice. So that is going to be a big pot that is going to have leftovers for Monday and probably Tuesday. I will probably add something on Tuesday, but red beans and rice, and it smells so good in here. I'm gonna swing you around and show you guys. All right, guys, so here is the red beans and rice. I soaked the red beans overnight. I cut up some Conecuh sausage. If you have not had Conecuh sausage before, it's kind of a southern thing. It's so good, you guys. And then I did 2 cups of regular water and then 4 cups of bone broths for the protein. And we're going to have some rice over this, and it's just going to be so good. I started this, I think, around 10. We have an hour and a half left on it, but I am so ready for this pot of red beans and rice. All right, you guys, so this is dinner for Sunday. So the red beans and rice came straight out of the crock pot. Then we're going to add a splash of Crystal hot sauce, and that is dinner for Sunday, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Monday. Happy Monday and happy MLK Day and Inauguration Day if you're watching that. We are roasting a bunch of things today in the oven. So I have roasted chicken wings, I have roasted potatoes, and also roasted cauliflower. The cauliflower was frozen and I threw on some Tony's. The potatoes was salt, pepper, dill, garlic powder, and onion powder. And then the wings, I actually tried some new seasoning. This is what I picked up in Ocean Springs from the Spice and Tea merchant. So this is called Hellfire, and I'm not eating this. This is for Jared. But this is very, very spicy. It has ghost pepper, habanero, smoked chili powder, jalapeno. Like, it is very spicy. I have been sneezing, you guys. And then this is the one I'm having, which is called the coffee barbecue rub. And it does smell like coffee, and it does smell like barbecue. More coffee than barbecue, though. But I'm super excited to try this. I have 115 grams of chicken wings, which is about 17 grams of protein. And then I have half a cup of potatoes and half a cup of cauliflower. And that is it for Monday, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday, and we are trying a new recipe out. So we are trying from this cookbook, the Magnolia Table. This is another Joanna Gaines cookbook. We are trying the chicken piccata with artichoke hearts. And this is our final result. So the chicken is actually cut in half because it was a huge piece. And then we have some mashed potatoes with the sauce over it. And then I roasted some squash that really needed to be cooked. And then this is the little sauce. It is artichokes and capers. It looks really, really good. And this one is Jared's. We're super excited to try this. Hopefully this tastes really good. And this is what we are having for dinner on Wednesday. And we will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, happy Friday. So we have a spread of leftovers and food that Mama cooked. So today we are having leftover squash. We are having fried fish that Mama cooked. We're having leftover gumbo. The leftover artichoke hearts and capers. This is just some kind of fish sauce that we get from the Asian store. And this is dry fish that Mama fried up a couple of days ago that we're going to eat as well. And then also we have some rice, of course. So this is our spread for Friday, getting rid of some food, getting rid of leftovers. And that is it. So that is Friday, and we will see you guys for the last day on Saturday. Hey guys, so it is Saturday, and this is actually just an extra clip. So Mama cooked us some lunch, and we are having some pork sweet and sour soup, and has some green beans and some rice. We usually cook some pork belly or chicken with the sweet and sour, but she wanted to do the smoked pork today. But yeah, so this is our lunch, and we'll be back for dinner a little later. Hey guys, so today is Saturday and it is the last day of what's for dinner this week, and today we are doing potato soup. So this has been cooking since noon, I believe, and it is currently 5:13. So this is what it looks like. I got the recipe off of Pinterest. It's just potatoes, onion, block of cream cheese, and then heavy whipping cream. So that has been simmering since 10:30, since 10:30, 12. I don't remember what time I did this. Then I got some green onions from the garden. And then Mama cooked up some bacon. And then we're going to shred a block of cheese. And that is the meal for Saturday, and I'll show you the end results when I make myself a bowl. All right, guys, so here's the end result. So we have the potato at the bottom, then we have green onions from the garden, we have regular cheddar cheese, bacon, and then we have smoked Gouda. And then to add some protein, I did use bone broth, and I also put Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. So this is our dinner for Saturday. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's What's for Dinner again. It was super fun, and I will see you guys on Sunday for another start of the week.